In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset network settings in Samsung phone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your mobile. You can even swipe down from the top and tap gear icon which is for settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap About phone option. Scroll down and now tap Reset option. Here you will find options like Reset all settings, Reset network settings, reset accessibility settings, and factory data reset. If you can't connect to internet or send and receive email or messages, then resetting the network settings may help. When you reset network settings, all the network settings for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth will be changed. If you are sure you want to reset network settings on your Samsung mobile, then tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. Next, enter your mobile PIN or draw pattern for security reasons. And on the next screen, tap Reset button. This will take some time to reset network settings. So that is how you can reset network settings in Samsung mobile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.